here's something I bought a year ago. It's a 2013 Raptor, and I've been waiting for an engine for it. And apparently the engine finally came in. Like I say, it's been a year. Well, they got it on the hoist back here. I figured I'd look underneath of it. They drained the coolant out of it. That looks pretty bad. So yeah, I can see why one reason why it might have needed a new motor. A little neglect. Hopefully the rest of the truck's not that way. Looking underneath of it, it looks pretty good. Not a bunch of rust or anything. Looks pretty decent. Oh, the frame looks good and all that. Anyway, we'll check back here in a little bit and see what kind of progress they got. Okay, here's a little progress. Wasn't quite expecting that. But the cab's off of it. And this is what everything looks like. If you ever wondered what a Raptor looked like with no body on it, well, there you have it. Nice and dirty. They're saying that they're going to have this done Friday. The sucker's so tore apart. Amazing. The intake's laying over there on the ground, over there. Powered by Ford. Not so much at the moment. Anyway, they've gotten pretty far on it today, a lot farther than I thought they would. So I'll keep updating as I go.